Well, I found this new thing called
Allstate Quick Photo Plan.
It's an app. You understand that? Just take photos of the damage with your phone and upload them to Allstate.
Really?
So you get a
Quicker estimate, quicker payment.
quicker back to normal.
I just did it. But maybe you can find an app that will help you explain this to your father.
Quick Photo Plans. Just another way Allstate is changing car insurance for good.
PC does what? PC does what no PC has done before. Does yours.
Wix makes it easy for me to create a beautiful website that showcases my passion, ideas, and my work. With Wix.com, I created a website for my business, my way. I can add my own images and drag and drop them into place. Even add a video background. It's that simple. And those cool 3D effects, I added them myself. Go to Wix.com today and create your stunning website. It's easy and free.
So you're shining, waiting to put your arms around me.
Unwrap the tempting layers of Ferrero Rocher, starting with a whole hazelnut dipped in smooth chocolatey cream, wrapped in a delicate wafer, and coated in milk chocolate and hazelnut pieces. Make your moments golden. Ferrero Rocher.
I know it. Okay.
Ben, I need to talk to you.
That was my brother. He just had a baby girl.
Oh my God, that's horrible. Or good. Full disclosure, I didn't listen to what you just said. I need to talk to you.
Okay, well, before you say anything, let me just show you what I got at those donuts. It's an L-shaped eclair. The L's for Leslie, for your name.
Hey, how are you? Bad. Really bad. Oh, God. Where'd it go? Well, I started crying because he gave me an eclair, and then we made out and spent the night together. But this morning, in the cold light of day, I cooked breakfast and we made out some more.
Wow, you opposite broke up with him.
He gave me an eclair, man.
Joe, I've determined that the lead picture was sent by you because you sent it from your personal email address, stinkmaster69@alumni.saralawrencecollege.edu. Really? Sarah Lawrence?
Yeah, I wanted a small college experience.
You also bragged about it